Got a 1987 GMC R1500 here with a 6.2 liter diesel. It's got 77,000 on the odometer. Let's fire this beast up. It's got the digital temperature gauge. Somebody added that. Brand new door panels, brand new bench seats. Got a brand new handle installed. Brand new rear bumper. Let's take a look underneath. As you can see, it's not smoking at all. Runs pretty good, very strong. So I don't have any plates on it, so I can't drive it out of the parking lot, but I'm going to put it in gear and hammer on it so you can hear it go. You can hear the brakes work. Here we go in reverse. Time and drive.